Guys, I wanted to show you these patches that I received from the company. These are really nice. It's like a very nice story and really good packaging as well. So I wanted to show you that too. It was designed by a mother-daughter business owners, and they say they've gone through like the whole process of developing the product as well as making sure that people are happy with it. So it helps to prevent like natural aging basically, which, as I get older, these are the things that I'm like thinking about. So you can use these overnight or up to like 4 hours. I personally got the ones that have to do with these lines right here. So you clean your face first and then you leave them on your face for about 4 hours or overnight, and it does help with those lines. So I do have like very sensitive skin as well as an allergy to latex, and I'm able to use these without having any problems. So they peel off really easy. It's not like it sticks to your face like very strong or anything. You get a ton of them in this package. They come in different areas. Like you could get it for your eyes or your forehead. I personally got them for around my smile lines. So really happy again with the packaging and the product overall. You can see it's like not super thick. And it is sticky, but not to not like a bandage where it's like hard to get off and it's gonna like rip your skin or anything. So definitely give these a try.